A new whistleblower has come forward in the investigation of Boeing. The current Boeing employee claims that the aircraft company tried to shield broken or out-of-date parts from regulators and even lost track of many of those parts. Capitol Hill correspondent Erik Rosales joins us now with that story. Erik.
Good evening, Tracy. Yes, the new allegations from the Boeing quality assurance employee Sam Mohawk were highlighted in a 200-page report released Monday by the Democrat-majority Homeland Security and Governmental Affairs Subcommittee on Investigations. It alleges manufacturing fraud and deception at the 737 MAX final assembly plant in Renton, Washington. It's so bad that the chair of the subcommittee, Senator Richard Blumenthal, is now saying that there is mounting evidence that Boeing should be prosecuted.
This whistleblower, Sam Mohawk, is one of a dozen who have come to us in recent months, and his allegations are extraordinarily serious.
According to the report, Mohawk says Boeing tried to hide non-conforming parts from Federal Aviation Administration regulators by moving them to another location and falsifying records. The whistleblower also claims Boeing was unable to account for many of the parts that it moved around, and those parts may have ended up installed in planes.
As Sam Mohawk reports, the company seems to have continued to put profits and production speed ahead of safety and reliability. And his account of the retaliation against him is particularly chilling. The pressure that was exerted on him to stay silent. They have a program called Speak Up. Well, he was told to shut up.
All this coming out as Boeing's chief executive officer testified today before Congress. Prior to the hearing, Dave Calhoun made a statement.
I'm here to answer questions. I'm here in the spirit of transparency, and I'm here to take responsibility. So that's all for now, and thank you.
What about these new allegations?
During the hearing, Calhoun stood up and apologized to the families who lost loved ones in plane crashes. Lawmakers then grilled Calhoun about the company's safety standards. This is the first appearance before Congress since the January incident when a door plug blew off on the side of a MAX 737 jet in mid-flight.
What are the root causes of this systemic failure? How are you going to fix it? And who should we hold accountable? Does the buck stop with you or with somebody else?
Alaska was a manufacturing defect. I'm not aware of any others that were. And we cannot allow one unsafe airplane to leave our factory.
By the way, the Justice Department has launched a criminal investigation into the Alaska airline door panel blowout. Meanwhile, the company also is waiting word on whether it will be criminally prosecuted for fraud in another case. Lawmakers say that they'd also like the DOJ to investigate these new claims by the whistleblowers as well. It's important to note that back in March, Dave Calhoun has already announced that he plans to step down at the end of the year as part of a leadership shakeup. At the Capitol, Erik Rosales, EWTN News Nightly.